Number 1. Gear wrench 28 pieces, a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive bolt biter impact extraction socket set. The dual-sized gear wrench bolt biter sockets allow users to work on both SAE and metric fasteners. The minus-sized sockets have been designed to fit on extremely worn-down fasteners without needing to pound the socket on with a hammer. Bidirectional design for removing or tightening damaged fasteners. Tapered entry enables socket to easily seat on a damaged fastener. Square drive with hex base for use with impact gun, ratchet, wrench, or pliers. Number 2. Makita Cordless 16-gauge Nibbler. Makita built motor delivers 1900 SPM for fast and smooth cutting. Ideal for cutting roofing sheet metal at thicknesses up to 16 gauge. Die holder rotates 360 degrees to meet demands of cutting direction. Convenient chip disposal is below cutting material to minimize damage to cutting surface. Cutting radius, inner edge 1 to 3/4 inch, outer edge 2 inch.
Number 3. Nebo Transcend 1500 USB rechargeable headlamp. This Transcend 1500 USB-C rechargeable headlight was made for people who push limits and operate beyond the normal boundaries of the average human. Perfect for night hiking, fishing, or any other outdoor activities, the Nebo Transcend 1500 lumen light is for the trailblazers, the risk takers, and the see-it-all-ers to go farther. Reliable, dependable, durable, and powerful, the headlamp comes with 5 different light modes, including a bright turbo mode. The mode selector dial and smart power control enable the Transcend to seamlessly transition through the different light modes.
Number 4. Milwaukee Electric Magnetic Torpedo Level. The Milwaukee die-cast level features sharp sight magnified vial technology for an accurate, clear reading from any position. The 360-degree adjustable vial allows the user to set or identify any angle, while the locking feature ensures all-day accuracy when the level is taken in and out of pockets and pouches. Equipped with rare amplified earth magnets. Built tough, it features a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum frame and a drop prevention loop to ensure lifetime durability and job site safety. Number 5. Mag Switch Pivot Angle 200 Adjustable Welding Magnet. These new angle welding tools are more versatile than any other angle magnetic welding holder. The adjustable pivot allows for a holding angle range from 22 to 270 degrees. Each axis features strong magnet squares with a 200 pounds holding force. This magnetic holder for welding is excellent for repetitive work on uncommon odd angles. Built with a lock on the elbow, working fabricators and welders can easily secure their desired angle for all welding jobs. The elbow features indicators every 5 degrees. Each axis arm contains a magnet clamp enabling the tool to secure to a welding table or wall while simultaneously holding a metal sheet or pipe piece. These metal magnets have 3 open sides for incredible versatility and precision. The true on-off magnet capabilities create a platform that is more efficient, faster, safer, and easier to use. Use it with TIG, spot, stick torch, fiber, arc welders. Magnetic grip turns all the way off for quick release. No need to pry or fight magnet for precise positioning. Powerful magnet stays clean, unlike traditional magnetic squares that hold on to metal chips even when off. With our heavy-duty magnet tool, you won't cut your fingers cleaning away steel shavings and debris. When turned off, debris falls off. Number 6. 13-piece impact grade extraction socket set. Every rocket socket is precision engineered to easily extract damaged bolts, nuts, and screws even if they are stripped, rusted, rounded off, or frozen. Socket sets with razor grip provide excellent torque. The more you turn, the tighter the socket grips. The set comes in a heavy-duty blow-molded case that keeps all the sockets in place. You can depend on rocket socket quality to make every job faster, safer, and a lot less frustrating. Number 7. Rhino Cart all-terrain moving dolly for heavy appliance and material handling. Specifically designed to conquer thresholds, uneven surfaces, and even hard-packed dirt and gravel. Carries 1,500 pounds on rough and uneven surfaces. 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels make taking on uneven surfaces easy. Built tough using commercial-grade poly resin and the same type of specialized steel used in industrial applications. Expands from 6-inch to 46-inch to accommodate large objects and pallets. For even larger items, the side can be completely separated, making moving even the most oversized items a breeze.
Number 8. Spider Tool Hammer Holster Set. Holster easily clips onto any regular belt or tool belt and allow freedom of movement without allowing excessive tool movement. The holster plus hammer tabs are faster, less bulky than the traditional hammer loop, and can lock. Hammer tabs apply to hammers, wrenches, and more. Tool holster's nylon composite and high-tensile steel construction stand up to rough everyday use. Holster will automatically lock when a tool is inserted. To unlock, lift the lock lever upwards with your thumb while lifting up the tool. Number 9. Knipex Tools Pliers Wrenches 16-inch. A one-of-a-kind tool with unlimited possibilities, the patented, easy-to-use Knipex Pliers wrench is a fantastic tool for fastening, gripping, holding, and bending. Its slim profile allows easy access to confined spaces, making it one of the most versatile tools in your toolbox. It features a time-saving push-button adjustment with multiple adjustment settings and infinite positions for quickly locking onto a variety of workpieces. Its parallel smooth jaws avoid damaging soft or plated materials and provide even, full-contact gripping of a wide range of sizes. It's a great tool for tightening lock nuts, exerting pressure to activate the adhesive power of contact adhesives, edge breaking in tile work, snapping cable ties, and utilization as a small vise.
Number 10. Craftsman Random Orbit Sander 3-amp corded. 3.0 amp 5-inch random orbital sander with 12,000 OPM is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. The low-profile design of Power Sander is made for added control and reduced vibration.